Hi guys, welcome to my screencast. My name is Sufyan and today I'll be discussing about my film Twisted Tales, which has been really close to my heart since last 3 months. I'll discuss about how my product engages with audiences and how would it be distributed as a real media text. So first and foremost, let's see how does my chosen institution, Universal Studios, engages with their audiences. First of all, they use social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram to facilitate global interactions. They generate excitement for upcoming releases by creating unique content and events such as cast question and answers, fostering brand loyalty beyond the theater. Secondly, Universal Studios improves viewers' engagement by providing immersive online experiences through their website and mobile apps. These platforms provide in depth coverage of film related topics, strengthening fans' connections to the Universal franchises. Thirdly, a wide variety of events are held at Universal Studios, such as pop up installations, virtual reality experiences, and fan conventions. These gatherings give fans a unique chance to interact creatively and deeply with their favorite properties, strengthening their sense of belonging. Lastly, Universal Studios extends the life of its franchises past the point of theatrical distribution. This strategy guarantees that fans will remain interested and enthusiastic, which adds to the longevity and success of the studio's properties. Despicable Me and Fast and Furious are a great example of this. Now, let's talk about some of the accounts of Universal Studios, including the profit sharing and box figures. So, Comcast Corporation is Universal Studios' parent company, and other productions and distribution stakeholders are involved in the profit sharing framework. For instance, Comcast gets a substantial share of the earnings when a big budget movie like Jurassic Park does exceptionally well at the box office. In addition, based on agreed terms and their contributions to the movie's success, product firms, directors, and performers are entitled to a portion of the revenue through profit sharing agreements. So here's a list of some of the famous movies by Universal Studios, and the figures include the worldwide box office and the domestic box office. Let's move towards the methods how I use to engage my audiences. So first of all, creating posters for my film using Photoshop was a smart move. It garnered the most engagement. This success confirms that my designs effectively captured attention and excitement. I posted them on Instagram to market and build anticipation for the film's release. So here are three of my posters which I made before my film release and posted them. And here are some reviews which, to be very honest, I wasn't expecting such an excitement from the audience. Secondly, I promoted my film on Instagram and YouTube with a 30-second action-packed thriller, setting the tone with intense music and rapid cuts. This teaser generated buzz and anticipation before I released the full 2-minute 50-second film, ensuring viewers knew what to expect and were excited to see more. Again, I posted my teaser on both of the platforms. And here are some comments and reviews from the targeted audience. Moving towards lastly, adding a blooper reel was a smart move, offering audiences a peek behind the scenes and engaging them with filmmaking process. It added humor and reliability while fostering a deeper connection with the viewers. So lastly, how I distributed my film. So Twisted Tales used a calculated approach to distribution, making its YouTube and Instagram debuts to appeal the young adults interested in thriller and suspenseful genres between the ages of 14 and 22. By utilizing these channels, it was possible to assure widespread accessibility and viral sharing potential, which increased reach and engagement among its intended audience. The final 2-minute 50-second film was released on both Instagram and YouTube. The film was released on Instagram and YouTube to maximize audience reach. It gained over 500 views and 40 likes on Instagram compared to around 18 views on YouTube. The success on Instagram highlights the effectiveness of leveraging its algorithm to target the desired audience accurately. I also took advantage of my social media marketing tactics and posted on the peak time. Below are some reviews from the audience. As I mentioned before, I used some social media tactics like posting on the right time. So here are some analytics which helped me improve on what to post, what the audience was expecting, and when to post. Much for sticking with me till here, and I hope you understood and enjoyed my screencast. Thank you and see you next time.